Welcome to the new video in our Matlab Tutorials playlist. Today we will cover 3D point plots or line plots. Our used commands is plot3, title, linspace, grid on, sine, and cosine. Now let's define our x, then our equation as cosine x and sine x. Now let's plot the x and y and z. Oh, I forgot to write the 3. The 3 here stands for the 3D plot. Unlike our previous videos, this command makes a 3D line plot or point plot, not a surface or a mesh. Now let's try another example, but using a 3D plot point. Now let's define our x, y, and z as random values using the rand command. First let's plot our values. We can use grid on to show the grid, and we can turn it off again using grid off. As you can see, the plot is a line plot, not a point plot. To fix this, we will need to add an attribute like 0 or x, maybe asterisk, whatever you like. We can also control color. Let's make it red by writing R. We should add the color first, then write R. Now it will work. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you soon.